In this video, we'll discuss how to make up to $175 in less than an hour simply doing closings. Hi, I'm Jon Snedeker with Notary Signing Agent Blueprint, where my blueprint takes you further, faster. Feel free to subscribe to learn how to make the absolute most as a notary signing agent. So let me guess, you're looking to become a notary or you already are a notary? That's awesome. Let's talk about how we can increase your earning potential. Before we get started, can you do me a favor? Let me know in the comments right now if you're looking to become a notary or if you already are a notary. Let me know in the comments right now. Notaries typically stick to what's called GNW, or general notary work. Notary signing agents, on the other hand, stick to mortgage documents for the lending industry. They are experts at helping people sign, date, and initial for their real estate transactions. Common transactions such as refinance, purchase, when someone sells a home, takes out a reverse mortgage, or does an equity loan or equity line of credit. There are several different types of real estate transactions that happen frequently on an everyday basis. So how do you make up to $175 per closing? Well, you need to become a notary signing agent and get the training and the right credentials that's going to allow it to open up the most amount of doors for yourself with the most amount of companies who recognize those credentials. I've been doing signings for over a decade and have done over 8,000 closings for some of America's best lenders, title companies, and even signing service companies nationwide. There are tons and even hundreds of companies to work with, but you have to get the right segments to achieve some sort of balance with your business. Once you are set up properly as a notary signing agent, you're going to want to determine a couple of things before you get started in doing closings. You're going to want to determine your territory, the hours you want to work, and what types of orders that you want to work on as well. We go over 15 different real estate business streams in our course. I'm just here to simply tell you that some orders pay way more than others. Smart and experienced notary signing agents know this, and they stick to the top 9 highest paying orders and typically don't do the bottom 6. In order to make up to $175 per closing, the way that you get those orders are by working directly for title companies. We give you lots of tips and tricks in our course with developing relationships in order to get you that business. If you're a new or inexperienced notary signing agent, it is not recommended that you start working with them directly. There's a couple of reasons why. Although you can work with anybody, working directly with title companies will pay you the absolute most, up to $175 per closing that you complete. You'll get the order, meet the signer, button up their paperwork, and send it back to title. It's really that simple. Because you got the order directly from the title company, there's no one else to split your fee with. Sometimes title companies work with signing service companies, and then the signing service companies finds a notary. When that happens, you get paid about $75 to $115 per closing. But if you work directly for title companies, that's how you get paid. Direct and up to $100 to $175, with most of the orders being $150. When you start doing closings as a notary signing agent and get good experience, you're going to want to get as many direct from title orders in your schedule as possible. Our blueprint is there to guide you. Are you interested in becoming a notary signing agent yet? If you didn't know, we have a free course and training at notarysigningagentblueprint.com. Feel free to like and share this video with who you feel could benefit. I look forward to seeing you personally in our next video.